Hi everyone, just quickly wanted to share I had a hidden giveaway in one of my GBFKE unboxing videos, the one with the fox and the rose. I wanted to get this done because I know I'm behind on videos. Very sorry. I definitely am going to try and get back up to that soon. But thank you to everyone who commented and everyone who watches my videos. I wanted to do this as a little thank you. And I have drawn the winner. That person has been contacted, so they already know, and I have their information, and we'll be sending their package out to them shortly. So you'll see here I used random comment picker, and the winner was Sherry 808. So congratulations, Sherry, and thank you everyone.